Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjit online classes. Class 10 English. First flight poem Animals. So let's start this poem. The poem is written by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman. Let's know something about this poet. The poet was from 1890 till 92. Yes, 1819 to 92. So, okay, he is a major figure in early American poetry. Okay, in an age when all poetry was rhymed and metrical, Whitman made a break with tradition and wrote a revolutionary new kind of poetry in free verse. No rhyming words, free verse. Without any rhyming words, he wrote the poetry. Then one of the revolutionary new kind of poetry. It's okay. His poetry is something different than the poem which has the rhymes. Okay. He was a non-conformist in all respects, including his social life. He was a non-conformist in all respects, including his social life, non-conformist. So about his life, something different than other people. So about his life, we can understand that what a person he was, and we can learn from this poem, and we can know from this poem also that what type of imagination, what type of thinking he has according to this poem also we can see. So students, let's start. The poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals than humans, whom he finds complicated and false. Do you know, human being has mouth to speak, but animals are dumb. They can't speak. There is a difference between human being and animals. And here the poet says he likes more the animals than the human beings. Why and for what reason he dislikes human beings and he loves the animals too much? Let's discuss in this poem. Yes, students, what the special quality what this animal have that he likes these animals more than far more than these human beings. Let's discuss in this point. So let's start. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and so content. Why? The poet says, I think I could turn and live with animals. I could turn. I may be in the place of animals. Yes, I like animals. For what reason? Because animals are so placid. Here animals are placid means calm. As compared to human beings, they are violent. They are very cruel. They create commotion. They create problem. They have the different types of revenge or fight, lots of disturbances, which these animals do not have. Let's see. And self-content means keep up control. They have the self-control. The animals have very nice, correct quality. They're calm and they control themselves. But human being very selfish. They uncontrolled. They sometimes quarrel. There are lots of the fighting and lots of out of thinking. So that's why the first point the poet said that I would like to be with these animals. I love them. I think that I could turn and live with animals. It's very very good point of reason. I can say according to this poem. Okay, I stand and look at them long and long. Yes, I stand and look. What look? The poet observes the animals. I stand and look at them is the animals. Long and long means very long time, and observe what he observes from these animals. The animal are something different from these human being. These selfish human being. Let's see. They do not sweat and whine about their conditions. See, suppose our condition is bad, we sometimes cry. You cry that, oh my, I have no building, I cannot live well, I have no good job, I cannot fulfill my dream, and lots of cry. Yes, for family life. And as your student, you may be crying for your existence, you may be crying for your fees, crying for the tuition, crying for everything. Yeah, for every region we have the suffering. Yes, from lower class to middle class to higher class, whoever might be, they have the sweat means full of tans. पसीना तब निकलता है when you are full of tensions, full of you are in worry, full of you are not in good condition. Then you lots of worry. That's why you have to cry about their conditions. But here poet says, but these animals do not. They don't cry for admission. They don't cry for any fees. They don't cry for house. They don't cry for food, things. They don't cry for anything else. They are free life. They have free life. Really. The poet feels that animals are far better than the human being. They do not sweat and whine about their conditions. Yeah? They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. As the human character, suppose we do mistakes. Yeah? Here sins means wrongdoing. Suppose you do mistake, you have to cry for that. You have to punish. Suppose you have done mistake and you have gone to jail, you will be crying in the jail. Suppose you have done mistake, your parent will punish you, then you will have to cry for that. Yes, and suppose you sometimes you cannot reveal your pain, then you have to cry you alone also. But in the case of animal, there is not such thing in the human character. They do not lie awake. उन लोग उठते नहीं हैं. In the dark means secret place, अंधेरे में. And weep for their sins. अपने गलती के लिए वो लोग रोते भी नहीं हैं. They are different than human character. Yes, we do sometimes wrong things and we have to suffer for that. And the animals have not. Yeah, sometimes we do mistakes and we be punished by someone else. But we can say that animals doesn't have. So the poet like them. Really? Do you understand what I say? They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Yes? Nor not one is dissatisfied, not one is demented with the mania of owning things. Let's see. They do not make me sick discussing. Sick discussing means boast of oneself, boast of something else. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. They sometimes are proud of our duty. Yeah, we say, oh, I am super, I can do this great work. We have sometimes lots of ego. Yes, we are boastful. Yes, and when we do great things, then we say, I can do great work. Nobody can do like me. This is the boast character. The which character this animal doesn't have. Yes, they do not make me sick. मतलब ऐसे सुन के मतलब कभी पूरा बीमार टाइप का हो जाते हैं. What? Discussing their duty to God. Their duty to God means उनका जो काम को लेकर डिस्कस करते हैं. That we can do great work. They are boastful of their character. They are boastful of their doing. They are boastful of their activities. And this type of nature, this type of behavior, this type of ego, this animal, human being has, this animal doesn't have. Really? I hope so. The student, that what poet thinks that is very nice than that. Yes? Let's see. Not one is dissatisfied. Not one is cemented with the mania of owing things. Let's see. Dissatisfied means they are not. Sometimes we are dissatisfied. Yeah? Suppose we have not achieved anything. Suppose in the class, suppose you have not got good score, good percentage mark, you are not satisfied. Your parent found dissatisfied, not satisfied. Yeah? When you get result, your result is poor, your parent is not satisfied. Yes? But here animal is dissatisfied, not one is dissatisfied means animal is satisfied. बट ह्यूमन बीइंग इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, या ह्यूमन कभी भी तृप्त नहीं होता है। वो जितना भी है, आप नाउ यू आर इन दिस कंडीशन, आपके पापा जितना भी कमा रहे हैं, आप सोचेंगे कि पापा और अच्छे से कमाए और अच्छा सैलरी मिले और अच्छा पैसा मिले तो और अच्छे से लाइफ होगा। You are not satisfied with your study, your parent is not satisfied with their money and salary or whoever want it. Human character is something different. Our want is unlimited. We go through the economics that our wants are unlimited. हमारा जो want है और डिमांड है वो कभी कभी खत्म होगा ही नहीं। This is the human character. No one is dissatisfied. Not one is demented with. Demented with means mad or disturbed with. Yeah? No one disturbed with. No animal disturbs. The mania madness of owning things. Owning things. Owning thing means कोई चीज अपना पाने के लिए पागल होना. To gain more. Owning things मतलब पाने के लिए जब पागल होते हैं. Yes, today's now in India I can say corruption, and for corruption they get salary very nice. I can comment here. Still they may get 50, 60, 70,000 rupees. Still they get the extra incomes by corruption. Still they say we are not satisfied. In India it's full of corruption. I know all the departments they like to earn extra incomes. Still they are not satisfied. This human being is more worse than the animals. Animals are far better than human being. उन लोग किसी को बेईमानी से लूटते नहीं हैं. They are very innocent. उनके कोई स्वार्थ नहीं है. But human being is something very bad character. You can say कि उन लोग तृप्त नहीं है. The mania of owning things. उन लोग पैसा के लिए पागल नहीं होते हैं, या कोई चीज के लिए पागल नहीं होते हैं. कोई भी जानवर कोई पेड़ के छांव में नींद आ गया, that's sufficient. But we see the AC and the bangla and the high star type building and hi-fi everything. If we get, still we say that something is lacking. That's why poets say I like animals more than the human being. Do you understand? Not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. और ह्यूमन में भी क्या है? नॉट वन kneels to another. kneels मतलब झुकना, किसी पर झुकते हैं हम. इंसान का कैरेक्टर है बड़ों के ऊपर झुकते रहते हैं, या दूसरे को छोटा कोई व्यक्ति बड़े को नमस्ते करते रहते हैं. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर बड़ा छोटा, स्मॉल, बिग, हाई एंड लो, देयर इज द लेवल्स. बट एनिमल्स डजंट हैव. कोई एक जानवर दूसरे जानवर को बड़ा जानवर सोचकर सैल्यूट नहीं मारता है. That is the difference between the human and animals. That means the animals are similar and they have no feelings that this is the high rank cow or high rank buffalo and low rank buffalo and high rank buffalo. They have not this type of feelings. Do you understand? Not one kneels to another. एक दूसरे को झुकते नहीं हैं. Nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. 1000 साल पहले जो थे, मे बी 1000 साल पहले कौन हो सकते हैं? Either ancestors, great men, either saint, either preacher, या कोई पूजा पाठ, कोई जानवर को पूजा पाठ करते हुए नहीं देखे. या no animal had gone to anywhere to salute or worship or to do anything. They are totally different. We human beings किसी को झुकते रहते हैं, yeah, but they are totally different. That's what poets say. I like these animals are better than these human beings. Are you understand my sayings? Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole world. Not one is respectable. Yes, here कोई यहाँ पर किसी को रेस्पेक्ट नहीं है. Animals, human being, we like to get respect. But animal character is something different. Not one is respectable. Yes. In a human case, someone is great, we give more respect. Someone is low, we see inferior. कोई छोटे मोटे लोग हम ऐसे ही मतलब रॉफली से साथ बातचीत करते हैं. तो हाई फाई रहते हैं तो उसको पूरा हाँ नमस्ते, यू कैन सैल्यूट, यू कैन टॉक, बट इन एनिमल वी डोंट हैव. द एनिमल्स कैरेक्टर इज समथिंग डिफरेंट or unhappy over the whole world. Yes, and here unhappy. Suppose in human character we are unhappy, but animals doesn't have. Let's see. So they show their relations to me, and I accept them. Yes, this animal don't behave that they are unhappy. Means they are sad. They are always really happy. Yes, so they show their relations. They, means the animals, show their relations to me, and I accept them. I receive them. I love them. I like this animal. That's what the first line thing. I think I could turn and live with animals. मैं जानवरों से मेरा जीवन बिताना चाहता हूँ. They are far better than these human beings. These rough human beings. This exploiting human being. This giant human being, this very क्या बोलते हैं, very means bad character. Yes, the poet's feeling is very deep. Let's see, students, whether whatever human being you are, according to the points you have to compare how much you have the look more better than animals or not. We have to see according to the poem I am saying. So let's see. They bring me tokens of myself, they evince them plainly in their possessions. They bring me tokens. Token means quality of myself. Yeah, they evince me, so reveal them plainly in their possession. Means animals are true towards other animals. Yeah, they have the best quality. They bring me tokens with quality of myself. Yes, उनके जो खास गुण है, they have good quality. Tokens means quality here. They evince means show, और they reveal, वो उन लोग ये दिखाते हैं. Them plainly means openly. What? In their possession, उनका जो हक है, उनका पोजीशन, उनका जो चीज है, उनमें क्या है? They show truth and loyalty to each other. That means they don't feel boast. They have no high and low rank. They have good relationship. They have good mutual understanding. They don't quarrel, don't exploit each other. They are far better than human beings. Yes, student. Now, students, I have to come to the closing part of this poem. Did you all understand? I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? Very nice line. I wonder where they means the animals, get those tokens. Animals have a respect. Animals have a quality. What are the quality animals? Innocence. वो किसी से झगड़ते नहीं है. कोई एक जानवर दूसरे जानवर के लिए मतलब पूरा हिंसा नहीं है. They show kindness. They show truthfulness. These are the quality the animals have. They get those tokens means quality. The animal have these beautiful qualities. Yes. I wonder where they get. वो कहाँ से मिला उनको? That is one of the surprise. Did I pass that way huge times ago? क्या उन लोग हम उनको दे दिए कि हमारा क्वालिटी? That means did I pass means our quality. We should have this respect. We should have kindness. We should have this truthfulness. But we have given them to animals. Did I pass that way? क्या हम उसको दे दिए हैं क्या? Huge times ago means many times ago. बहुत समय से पहले हम दे दिए हैं. That means today we human, we are rascals, we are selfish, we are looters, we are corrupted, we are very ugly, very bad. That's why poet thinks that I want to turn. I could turn and live with animals. We are not in good condition. The poet thinks that I would be like the animals. I will be in their society to live a peaceful life. Yes? And at the conclusion of this poem, and negligently drop them. Negligent means without without neglect. Drop them means we did not do this type of quality, respect, kindness, or innocence and truthfulness, and we have given to these animals. My dear students, when I say this poem, शायद जो भी आज के जो corrupted leaders and corrupted people, once they listen this poem, they will feel what they are. India is the number one of the very corrupted country. They are exploiting each other. And how do you expect India's progress? It is possible. Never. India cannot be progress and developed country. We have this type of characters. The animal, the poet says that. That's why poet say I will be with the animals, not with the human being. Same on this today's human being. इंसानों के इंसानियत की मान की जो कैरेक्टर खो चुका है तो उनसे बेहतर जानवर हैं. ओ माय गॉड, सम आना चाहिए. वी हैव टू बी असेंब्ड दिस टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर नॉट, sometimes we say we are superior class than the animals, but the poet says something different. This is a great message for one of you. Not only the syllabus of class 10 chapter 9, chapter 7 and the English poem, but in the human life. And those who are really have the understanding, they understand what the poem says. I hope this poem is very beautiful. You may be feeling hot if you are not good, and try to change ourselves and the quality we should have. So maybe we have given to animals, we have not. So in this corrupted nation and corrupted people, we hope the diamond and good people that they may once again receive this quality. I hope so. The poem may inspire you heartily, and God bless you. We will see you in the next period. So till that time, study well. Meet you once again in the next online classes. Till that time, have a good day and bye bye.